Hello, welcome in this tutorial. In this video, we will show how to create a map widget for analytics dashboard. Map widgets can become very helpful when your map becomes over-clustered, and when you want to visualize just certain data for your map. We start in the analytics dashboard, and in this tutorial, we will take only locations that are measuring loading, and we will show them on the map with the maximum parameter that has been measured on the location. We will start by creating a new dashboard. And we can add a widget. And as a source table, for this example, we want to show the maximum measurement on that location. So we have to select a table that allows us to access the historical measurements. And as a start, we can show a measurement value. And if we want to create a map widget, we'll also need the location where this measurement is taken. And we will have to use the longitude and latitude of this location. So when we locate locations, we can also show the ID of the location, which makes it simpler to recognize it. And we also select longitude and latitude. And for the measurement, if we want to filter just a certain specific quantity, we have to find the quantity and its name. So now we have all the necessary columns that we will have to that we will use for this demonstration. First, you can see that right now we have all different locations here, and right now we have no filtering applied. So we can see a lot of parameters that we are not interested in. So we can start by adding a first restriction where we limit the quantity names to only the one that we are interested in, which is in this case the transformer load. And this gives us all the unique measurements for the transformer load. We can see that we have a lot of instances of this measurement. So to actually group these, we can select a measurement value and we can only aggregate a maximum value. This shows us all the locations that measure the loading on the transformer. And now we can simply create a map widget. As a latitude, we use the location's latitude. As a longitude, we choose the location's longitude. And as a tooltip, we can also select the maximum measurement on that location, which will create a map widget for us with only the locations that we are interested in. And this tooltip can be also shown by hovering over the location, so we can see that the maximum loading of each location. So we can also put that into description. And we can save this. That we would like to do more filtering and we would only want to see the maximum value over the past half a year. We can also do that. We can add the source table, and to filter on date, we would have to create a new column, add a new column, which relates to the actual measurement and the period when it was measured. We can now see that we have added this new column, which tells us when a measurement was taken. We can restructure this a little bit to start with location. And we can put another restriction where we filter on the new column that we have just added, which is this measured at. And we can select from different options, but to filter for past period, we can select the operator is, and we can choose, for example, last 6 months. This gives us only the measurements in the past 6 months. And we here already have a filtering on these parameters of the measurements, but we also want to apply the same on the date, which actually gives us the same table as we had before, but right now the maximum measurement parameter is only taken from the past 6 months. So we can go back to our map location and we can see those maximum measurements, but we can also change this tooltip. Maybe we are interested in the date when the maximum parameter was recorded, so we can also see that.